Ever wondered how to unlock the secret vault to millionaire status? Even without a fat paycheck or a lucky lottery, brace yourself for a sensational revelation. The Automatic Millionaire, an exceptional book that reshapes your path to wealth. This is no ordinary rags to riches guidebook or a concoction of secret millionaire formulae. Instead, it discloses a methodical approach to steadily amass wealth. Picture yourself tapping into your inner millionaire with straightforward, fail-proof strategies that function no matter your earnings. That's the wonder the Automatic Millionaire conjures up. The book, its wisdom over numerous illuminating chapters, each diving into a distinctive aspect of wealth generation. From captivating plans to a comfortable, wealthy retirement, to turning your everyday dollars into a fortune, this book is a treasure trove. It's your passport to a future where liberty isn't just a distant dream, but an achievable reality. Are you geared up to dive into this captivating? Let's flip the pages and unearth the richness that lies ahead. Ready for the first step towards your journey into financial freedom? Let's dive into Chapter 1. This chapter uncovers a formidable strategy for getting rich: automating your finances. Picture this: a life devoid of bill payment anxieties or retirement savings woes. Automation sets a financial course that tirelessly works even when deep in slumber. Then, we move into the fascinating world of compound interest, a powerful tool in wealth accumulation. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining more snow and speed as your money operates in the same manner. The more you save and invest, and the longer it remains untouched, larger your wealth snowball grows. It's the magic of compound interest that's been the secret to building wealth over time. Lastly, explore the critical shift from spending to saving. We challenge the conventional earn, spend, save concept, nudging you to earn, save, spend. By saving first, you prioritize your long-term financial stability. Remember, the key is to give priority to building a nest egg for your future rather than instant gratification. And that's just scratching the surface. Let's see what else lies ahead. Chapter 2 introduces us to the concept of the latte factor. This catchy phrase encapsulates the idea that small, regular savings can accumulate into substantial wealth over time. It's a simple concept, but its impact can be profound. Imagine cutting out your daily latte, which might cost $5. Instead, you put that money into a savings account. Now, $5 a day may not seem like much, but let's extrapolate. Over a year, that's nearly $2,000 saved. Over 20 years, assuming a modest annual return of 5%, you would have accumulated over $70,000, all from the price of a daily latte. The latte factor is not just about coffee. It's a metaphor for any small daily expenses that we can trim to build wealth over time. It's about making conscious choices and recognizing the potential long-term impact of our day-to-day spending habits. So, keep your lattes in check and let's move on to the next chapter. Chapter 3 emphasizes the importance of paying yourself first. This principle is as straightforward as it sounds. Before you pay your bills, buy groceries, or splurge on that new gadget, set aside a portion of your income for savings. Imagine your income as a pie. You might be tempted to slice it up, giving pieces to your bills, your rent, your groceries, and so on, until there's nothing left. But here's the twist. The first slice of the pie, the best slice, should go to you. That's right. Paying yourself first means treating your savings account as the most important bill you have to pay each month. It's not about being selfish. It's about being responsible. It's about prioritizing your financial future over immediate gratification. It's about building a safety net, growing your wealth, and securing a comfortable retirement. Remember, your future self will thank you for this. Now, on to the next chapter. In Chapter 4, we learn how to make this whole process automatic. You see, the secret to successful wealth accumulation isn't just about having a plan, it's about making that plan run on its own. In the world of finance, automation is your best friend. Think of it like a well-oiled machine. Once set up correctly, it runs smoothly without any extra effort from you. The same principle applies to saving and investing. By setting up automatic transfers from your main account to your savings or investment accounts, you ensure that you're consistently contributing to your wealth even without thinking about it. Moreover, many investment plans offer automatic enrollment, meaning your investments increase over time without any extra effort from you. Imagine that, your money working for you while you sleep. This is the power of automation. It takes the guesswork out of saving and investing and ensures that you're always making progress towards your financial goals. Automation is key, my friends. Now let's continue. Chapter 5 talks about preparing for the unexpected. Indeed, life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. This is why having an emergency fund is paramount. It's your financial safety net, your cushion against life's little bumps and unexpected detours. But here's the catch. Saving for a rainy day shouldn't be an afterthought, something you do when you have some spare change. It should be automatic, just like your monthly bills or your retirement contributions. So how do you automate your emergency fund? Start by deciding how much you want to save. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Next, set up a direct deposit from your paycheck to a separate savings account. This way, you're paying yourself first before anything else. Remember, the goal is not to touch this money unless you absolutely have to. It's your insurance against life's unpredictability. Because life is unpredictable, but your finances don't have to be. Scene script. Chapter 6 guides us towards automatic debt-free home ownership. Imagine owning your own home, not in 30 years, but in a fraction of that time, without a crushing debt hanging over your head. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's more achievable than you think. The key is automation. By automating extra payments towards your mortgage each month, you can dramatically cut down the time it takes to own your home outright. This is the power of the automatic debt-free homeownership strategy. It's not about making huge sacrifices or living a life of austerity. It's about making smart, consistent, automated contributions that chip away at your mortgage over time. Remember, every extra dollar you put towards your mortgage is a dollar that's working to free you from debt. And the beauty of automation, it happens without you even having to think about it. Home is where the heart is, and it's even better when it's debt-free. In Chapter 7, we get an automatic millionaire makeover. This isn't about changing your wardrobe or getting a fancy new haircut. No, it's about transforming your financial life. It starts with a simple yet powerful idea: automating your wealth building. This means setting up systems that will automatically manage your money, savings, and investments. Think about it like this. When you automate, you're delegating the task of managing your wealth to a system that's more consistent and disciplined than you could ever be. It's like having a personal finance manager working for you round the clock. Next, you need to eliminate bad financial habits. This could be anything from impulse buying to not saving enough. Replace them with good habits, like saving a fixed percentage of your income, investing wisely, and living within your means. Finally, always remember to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for your future before you pay your bills or other expenses. And voila, you're on your way to becoming an automatic millionaire. So, are you ready to become an automatic millionaire? Let's take a moment to revisit the key takeaways from each chapter. We began with a powerful one-step plan to live and finish rich. The secret? Making your financial growth automatic. No budgeting, no tracking, just a simple foolproof plan that works even on a few dollars a day. Remember, the first step to becoming an automatic millionaire is learning to pay yourself first. It's about setting aside a part of your income for your future before you pay your bills or even buy that extra cup of coffee. Next, we learned how to make it automatic. This is where the magic happens. By automating your savings and investments, you're building your wealth without even thinking about it. It's like having your own personal wealth-building machine working for you around the clock. Then, we moved on to automating for a rainy day. Because let's face it, life is unpredictable. Having an automatic savings plan for emergencies not only gives you peace of mind, but also keeps you on track towards your financial goals, even when the unexpected happens. We also discussed automatic debt-free home ownership. Owning your home outright is a huge step towards financial freedom. By making your mortgage payments automatic, you're accelerating your path to owning your home free and clear. Finally, we explored the Automatic Millionaire Makeover. It's not about drastic changes, but small, automatic actions that add up over time. Whether it's cutting back on unnecessary expenses or increasing your savings rate, every little bit counts. In conclusion, becoming an automatic millionaire isn't about striking it rich overnight. It's about consistency and patience. It's about letting your money work for you so you can focus on living your life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom. Remember, the key to wealth is consistency and patience. So start your journey to becoming an automatic millionaire today.